Hey there, fashion enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to bring you an unboxing and try-on of a 3% digital printed lawn suit featuring modern summer fashion trends. We'll be comparing it to other top brands, including Saeed, to help you make the best choice for your wardrobe. So let's dive right in. We've got this gorgeous 3% lawn suit in hand, and we can't wait to show you the unique features, fabric quality, and design aesthetics that make it stand out. We'll also be comparing it to Saeed's latest collection and other popular brands, giving you a comprehensive overview of the latest fashion trends. Keep an eye out for our upcoming video, where we'll be discussing the texture, color options, and prices of these 3% unsewn suits, helping you make an informed decision for your next wardrobe upgrade. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting fashion content. Until next time, stay stylish! In this video, we dive deep into a comprehensive comparison of 3% unstitched suits, focusing on Saeed and other top brands in 2024. Discover the unique features, fabric quality, and design aesthetics of Saeed's latest collection versus renowned big brands. Watch as we analyze the texture, color options, and pricing to help you make an informed decision for your next wardrobe upgrade. Whether you are looking for traditional styles or modern cuts, we've got you covered. Join us for an insightful review and find out which brand reigns supreme in the world of unstitched suits this year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates on fashion comparisons and reviews. Whether you're looking for inspiration or just love fashion unboxings, this video has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion content. Let's dive into the world of summer fashion together. 3PC digital printed lawn suit, unboxing, try-on trendy summer fashion, lawn suit, digital printed clothing, fashion haul, clothing review, summer outfits, fashion unboxing, try-on haul, stylish outfits, women's fashion, casual wear, summer style, fashion trends, outfit ideas, fashion inspiration, Indian ethnic wear.